Hi everyone, I am Shadab here. In this video, we are going to talk about how to replace setup character in a string. Okay, guys, there is a class string replace character, and in this class we have man method, and in this man method we can declare one string. Str is equal to Shadab Alam. Okay, guys, and print the value of string before replace before before replace str. Okay, guys, and after replacement, so str is equal to str dot replace method. We can use replace method in the string class. Okay, guys, and we can replace Shadab is an old name, so Shadab, and new name replacement, target name, and also replacement Aftab. Okay, guys, and after that we can print the value before replace and also after replace. Okay, guys, and let's stay, and we can run this program, and you can see the output on the console. Yeah, before replacement, my output before replace Shadab Alam, and after replace after we can replace Shadab into after. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video.